There are sounds from which the upper teeth and the lower lip, the initial sound of the words fan and van, and the final sounds of the words safe and safe are labiodentals. They are represented by the symbol f with its vowels and v with its voice. Notice that the final sound of lost and caught and the initial sound of photo, despite the spelling differences, are all pronounced as f. If we put our open hand in front of our mouth when making this sound f, in particular, we should be able to feel the stream of air being pushed out. Our life which begin with f, violet, labiodental fricative. Introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Nico from France and I'm going to read few words. Fine, vine, few, view, feel, will.